Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen, my little Tightwad kitchen. It is Tightwad Tuesday, and we are going to be making a sheet pan meal. I don't know if you've ever done those before, but it's so simple to just throw everything on and just cook it all in one pan. So today I am going to be doing some chicken. Now I got a really good deal on this chicken. This chicken, I got 8 thighs, y'all, for $5.01, which means, of course, this is half. This is only 4 of those thighs. I know my receipt says $12.29, but the chicken, the potatoes, and that barbecue sauce is for a whole nother meal.
So half of the chicken.
Yes.
And half of the potatoes.
Half of the potatoes. Yes.
And the barbecue sauce.
Yes. So the total for this meal is $6.58. How about that?
I like it.
$6.58. You can still eat good, y'all, on a budget. I have this little seasoning. The only seasoning that I have bought the entire time or used the garlic and pepper. It's got salt and all the good things in it. But I was thinking about this. Normally, I would drizzle with olive oil, put all the seasonings on this. And I was like, it's not my budget to buy the oil and more seasoning. So this was my solution. This has oil in it and it has seasoning. So I'm going to try to drizzle this. Now, I have not did this. But if you have oil or if you want to do it, butter, whatever you got on hand. But this is what I'm going to try.
Creative.
I'm going to be creative. This barbecue sauce, half of this bag of potatoes. We're just using half of the potatoes. 10 potatoes. I counted them out, honey. There was 20 in this bag, and we're doing 10. And we'll have 10. And then this barbecue sauce for a whole nother meal. So, and the rest of that chicken, because we got 4 more thighs just like these. So, I'm going to go ahead. I have my oven set at 500, and I have my pan in there getting hot. They say if you put your pan in for about 15 minutes at 500 degrees, it sears the chicken skin better if you put it skin side down. We're going to give it a little whirl.
Yummy.
Ain't got nothing to lose, huh?
No.
So, I'm going to start by seasoning this chicken. And like I said, garlic and pepper, and it's got a little bit of the salt. And I'm not going to go crazy with this because the Italians also got a little flavor, got a little salt in it. We don't want it to be like licking a salt block. So I've got my pan hot and ready. Hopefully she is. It's a screaming back there. Got one clean hand. I'm gonna go ahead and get this pan out. Let's move this over. I don't want to mess up my receipt. That's my proof, y'all.
Yeah.
Let me get this out. Woo! Hot tamale. Hot, hot, hot. Now, I hope I don't burn myself with this.
Don't do that.
All right, so we're going to go. I'm also going to go ahead and put some Italian in the chicken here. We're going to get it seasoned up, and you want some of that oil on it. And I should have opened this first. Oh, it was easy open.
Oh, that's good. At least it cooperated.
It sure did. So we're going to add a little bit because, like I said, that's going to be our oil, our little moisture. There we go. I love good chicken thighs, y'all.
Absolutely.
I really do. We've said before, Russ used to love that chicken breast, but now he realizes
I've changed my tune on that one.
He has.
Yep.
He sure has. Okay, we're going to put this down. Oh, hear that sizzle?
Yeah, it had a little sear there.
A little sizzle right there.
I heard that.
Sure did. Putting its skin down. And I'm not going to just scoot it all on top of one another either. I'm going to give it a little room. All right, now we got our potatoes. And I know I've got chicken hand on here. But you can still, it's going to cook together. We're going to put our little potatoes on. Now, I have got broccoli here. I got frozen broccoli. It was like $1.16. I'm not going to put these on quite yet. We're going to turn this chicken over at about 20 minutes or so, 15, 20 minutes. And I'm going to zap this because it is a zappable bag. I'm going to zap it for just a few minutes and knock all that, if there's anything frozen, you know how it is. Gets little water crystals on it because I don't want it to water anything down and mess up that flavor. So I'll add that halfway. So, and I am going to sprinkle this as well. Put a little, I should have just, I have washed them. I should have left them wet. Just going to sprinkle some of this little oil on there. Just give them a little rub. Just like so.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be good. My pan is like really big. This is my big old honking pan, so it looks like it's getting lost here, but on a regular pan, this would look real pretty. So.
Hey, well, this is our kitchen. This is how we roll. It's our pan, it's our kitchen. This is what we cook on. Hey.
I'm normally cooking for more, but it's just us. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it.
It'll work.
All right, now I'm going to put this in the oven. Like I said, I'm going to turn the oven down to 400 because I do have it at 500. I'm going to turn it down to 400, and we're going to cook this for about 15, 20 minutes. We'll flip it over. In the meantime, we'll zap the broccoli, and then we'll add the broccoli on in a little bit. All right, y'all, it's cooked 15 minutes. I'm just going to give this chicken a little flip here. And I'm going to add our little broccoli.
Looking good.
Just Italian, that Italian flavor.
Yeah.
A little Italian dressing. And I'm going to also put a little bit of that Italian dressing on here. And we got some hot broccoli right here. Ooh, this bag is hot. I really do need to sit down. It is really hot broccoli.
It's hot. If the hands of stone says it's hot.
Yes, it is hot. And we didn't need no big old bag. Just the two of us. Yep. I love broccoli. Russ doesn't love it. It's not his favorite thing.
It's all right. It's not my favorite green.
But it's good for you. So
it is.
Put something green on your plate.
Yep.
And I'm just going to toss this a little bit. We'll just throw that right on out. I'm going to toss it. I'm actually going to put a little more seasoning on the potatoes. A little bit on the broccoli. Get this Italian out. Give it a little stir. Like I said, if you got a little olive oil or a little butter, whatever you got. Got to make do what you got, right?
We're making it work.
That's
it's going to be
exactly
good.
Right.
It's going to be good. Yummy.
So, I'm just, basically I want that oil not to make it stick and the seasoning in it.
Yeah.
So, in it goes back for about 20 more minutes. Here we go, y'all. Yummy, yummy.
She be looking good.
And it took about 35 minutes because I stuck it back in there for just a little bit, but the potatoes were nice and soft. See that? Oh,
tender.
Yeah. Good old taters.
Crispy skin. Everything looks delicious.
Yes.
I'm ready to do it. Let's do it up.
Let's do it. Our $6.58 supper.
Yeah.
You cannot beat that.
Tightwad Tuesday.
Tightwad Tuesday.
Strikes again.
Yes. Let's do it. All right, y'all. It is supper time.
Wee.
Tasting time.
Ready.
Do it, Russell.
I already done cut my slice of this chicken.
He sure did. He's ready to dig in. Good. Just a little Italian and a little garlic pepper.
It's flavorful. It's
How about
fantastic.
that?
Really
How
good.
about that? With just a little
Tender?
bit.
It's tender.
Well, how
got
about that
good-
broccoli
Very good flavor.
and taters?
Well, we're going to have some more of this chicken first, y'all.
$5.01, y'all, for 8 packs of chicken thighs. Broccoli, here goes.
Oh, that's good.
It's good,
Yeah,
ain't it?
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Had just a little char on it. I think
fantastic.
cooking them, getting that water off, getting it a little dried out.
Yeah, it dried it out.
first.
Yeah, it's not soggy. It's got a good,
No.
nice little texture to
I
it.
had a little piece that was crispy. It tastes like a little broccoli chip. I
Yes.
said, oh, this is good.
The taters are good.
Taters,
Good and tender. Mm-hmm. Look here, yeah.
they hot. Good. And not terrible for you. You got your starch, your veggie,
It's
your
great.
protein.
Everything's fantastic.
Good.
One
good.
sheet, one pan.
One sheet pan.
What?
Now I'm gonna have to scrub that pan just a little bit.
It's gonna have to do a little work
on
Yeah.
that.
I'm gonna do a little work on it.
But hey, it's better than having to wash a whole bunch of dishes, though.
It is.
Right?
Yeah.
I think so. Anyway, I cooked and cleaned.
I can do that.
I'm just kidding.
I'm not allergic to that.
I know.
You know?
I know.
I ain't above it.
I know. Anyway, y'all, this is really good.
It is
for your
really
budget.
good for
really good.
$6.
It's good
What was
for $6.58.
Wow.
It's good even when you're not.
That would be good for $16 and
Yes,
58 cents.
yes.
Y'all?
I mean, both of us couldn't eat nowhere for $6.58.
No.
Nowhere. We might can get us I don't think do they even have the dollar burgers at McDonald's anymore?
I don't know. I
don't
couldn't
know.
tell you, but a
Probably
Happy Meal is
not.
probably $6.
We couldn't both eat nowhere.
We
is what
couldn't
I'm
eat.
saying.
We couldn't eat.
We
no.
could get us a Coke and a pack of nabs at the 7-Eleven or somewhere.
I don't know. I mean, you know, we might could eat some gas station.
That's what I said.
Yeah,
maybe
gas
something
station.
like that.
Yeah.
But you can't beat that for a hearty meal.
And it's healthy.
It's
Fairly
good.
healthy. Yeah.
Yep. He told me, he said, I'm tired of noodles.
Well, I'm
and
just
stuff,
carbs
so-
and stuff. Carb.
Yes.
We do have some carbs on the plate, but it's not many, so I mean, I can deal with
No.
that. Got greens.
It's potassium.
And, my chicken is healthier, so I'm good for it. I'm
You're good protein.
Yes, very good. I'm ready to get in it.
Anyway, y'all, I really hope y'all have enjoyed the Tightwad Tuesday. We might
Yes.
bring it back.
Yes.
If y'all have enjoyed this, do let us know.
Yeah.
Do let us know. I didn't want to Tightwad Tuesday you to death and be like, good Lord, what now? So, but anyway, I hope y'all really have enjoyed this and learned a little something, or if you're on a budget, I hope this has helped.
Yes.
A
Hope
little
these recipes-
variety.
Yeah.
A little variety of things that you can do. And but anyway, we have enjoyed all of the comments.
We have.
And enjoyed all of you. This pops in on
Always.
us.
Always.
Yes. And anyway, we appreciate you.
Yeah.
Love you.
We, like she said, we may try this again down the road.
We might think of
'Cause-
something else.
Yeah, I mean,
You don't
this
never
is,
know.
This is right in her wheelhouse. She's thrift,
I'm
and
frugal.
I appreciate it. I do, because I'm not. So we make a pretty good team.
He's getting better though.
I am. I really am. She's rubbed off on
He
me so
is.
much. I look at everything now. So
He does. He really does.
Yeah. Yep.
So
After 20 years, I can say officially she's rubbed off. Yep.
anyway, y'all.
Thank y'all for
Thank
watching. We
y'all.
appreciate all of
Yes.
y'all to the bottom of our heart.
Mm-hmm.
Every one of you.
Yes, and y'all keep on liking, subscribing,
Yeah,
sharing,
if you're not
watching.
subscribed, y'all, it don't cost you anything. It helps us so much.
Mm-hmm.
And if you're gonna watch anyway, it don't hurt. Just go ahead and hit subscribe.
Yep.
If you hit the little bell, it'll tell you when the videos are coming out. But generally,
Generally,
but generally, they come out on Tuesdays and Fridays at 9 a.m. And that's our schedule. That's when they come out.
yes, we try to stay
Consistent.
with it. We do. But anyway, y'all, thank you so much, and until next time.